Learn to verify domain for your landing page. Verifying your domain for your landing page typically involves proving ownership of the domain to ensure that you have the authority to use it for hosting your landing page. Verification may be necessary for various purposes, such as setting up custom domain tracking for analytics, enabling SSL certificates, or integrating third-party services. Here's how to verify your domain for your landing page. 1. Access domain settings. Log into your domain registrar's account where you purchased or manage your domain. Navigate to the domain settings or management section. 2. Find verification methods. Look for options or settings related to domain verification. Depending on the purpose of verification and the services you're using, there may be different verification methods available. 3. Select verification method. Choose the verification method that best suits your needs and the requirements of the service you're integrating with. Common verification methods include adding DNS records, uploading HTML files to your website, or verifying through meta tags. 4. Follow verification instructions. Follow the specific instructions provided by the service or platform you're integrating with for domain verification. This may involve adding a text record to your domain's DNS settings, uploading a verification file to your website's root directory, or inserting a meta tag into your website's HTML code. 5. Verify completion. Once you've added the necessary verification information to your domain settings, confirm that the changes have been made successfully. Some services may provide a verification status or confirmation message to indicate that the domain has been successfully verified. 6. Wait for propagation. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to propagate across the Internet. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours for the changes to take effect and for the domain verification to be fully recognized. 7. Verify domain status. After waiting for propagation, revisit the verification settings or dashboard of the service you're integrating with to confirm that the domain status is now verified. You may need to refresh the page or log out and log back in to see the updated status. 8. Test integration. Once domain verification is confirmed, test the integration or service to ensure that it's working correctly with your landing page. This may involve checking tracking data, SSL certificate status, or other functionality dependent on domain verification. By following these steps, you can verify your domain for your landing page and ensure that it's properly authenticated for use with the services and integrations you need.